Welcome to Chem 111 Summer 2021. This is Dr. Catherine Burton, and I'm going to just walk you through the basics of the course, and then we're going to talk separately about the exams, the labs, as well as the assignments that you're going to need to complete. So looking at the home page, you're going to start here with the before getting started, and that's going to walk you through what you need for your computer, how to work through Canvas, how to set up your email. So go ahead and work through all of that. And when you're done going through all of that, you've set it up, you've met me, etc. I need you to look at the required materials. The required materials are what you need specifically for this course. Note there is a syllabus tab over on the left. That is not the course syllabus. That is the Nova Online syllabus. I can't edit it and there are errors in it. So do not use that to determine your grade. Make sure you use the course syllabus for that. So quick note, back to required materials. The textbook is free. It's called OpenStax. It's a second edition. The link is right here on the required materials tab. Again, that's one of the top tabs on the home page. It is also embedded in the online homework. The online homework is by Macmillan. You can purchase it in two different ways. You can either purchase it through the bookstore, and if you have financial aid, that's what you're going to need to do. You can also get it directly from the publisher. If you want to purchase it through the bookstore, use their instructions. If you want to do the publisher purchasing, you just need to take and open any Achieve assignment. This is called Macmillan Achieve, and we'll deal with that in a second. Lab is virtual. Again, you can purchase the program for it from either the bookstore or directly from the vendor, and the instructions are here, and we'll do that in a moment. And the last thing I really need you to do is sign up for a communication app called Remind. Remind is terrific. It's a great way to send me questions, communicate with me anytime you need to. And you also need a scanning app because that you're going to take and scan and upload your assignments. So those are the basic things that you need. We go back to the home page. Everything is pretty much set up by exam. So instead of organizing it by chapter, I've organized everything by the exam that we're doing. Okay, so required materials, class syllabus. The actual syllabus for the class is here. I would strongly advise printing it out. It's going to tell you everything you need. It's going to have all the assignments, all of the due dates for the entire course. It's going to have how everything is graded. Please note this is important because the syllabus that was published by Nova Online is incorrect. So please follow this one. And so anyways, print that one out. Keep track of things. There are due dates in this course. They're a little flexible, so if something comes up and you can't turn things in on time, you need to let me know. The due dates that are not flexible are for lab. Lab gets really complicated in terms of switching up the due dates, so I need you guys to get those in on time. So that is the syllabus. The Nova Online syllabus is either the one you could look over in the left side tabs or here on the home page. If you do this, it tells you all sorts of stuff. Read through it at your leisure. The stuff I think you really need to know are on the course syllabus. Again, print that out and keep that somewhere close by as you will need it. Okay, so we have the class syllabus, required materials, proctored assessments. Proctored assessments are in there because this is how you have to access the exams. So this is sort of the basic course navigation. We'll go into the specifics in just a minute.